Hey gang, welcome to your review channel. Today we're talking about a iPhone and also storage. So we have a SanDisk backup storage, and it's right here. It's super simple to use, just like you see here. So if your phone gets full and you want to back it up, this is an awesome way of doing it. I'm going to do just a quick review, show you what it looks like and how it works. Today I'm looking at this item from SanDisk. So it's called the iXpand, which is iXpand, I believe. It's a flash drive. Luxe is basically luxury, which means this is made out of metal, not plastic. So I opted to get a little bit better quality one. The reason why is because I believe they would last longer. So what's the idea behind this? So the idea behind this is if you have a phone, and we're all doing a lot of recording today, social media, whatever it is, and the phone's getting full, or you want to transfer it, or you want to back it up, this is a way to do it. So, like I said, made out of metal, which I love really a lot. It's got high transfer speed, and with SanDisk, you know the quality is excellent. So let's take a look at the top here. So the cap here, this is your lightning cable here, okay, and it has a flip design, which is actually, I like it a lot. And you can see how that flips. And then the lightning cable goes under here, which protects it. And then you have the USB-C right here. Now, the only thing there is with this that you have to know is that if you have a case like I have here, this is an awesome case. And if you never saw the video in this case, definitely check this out. I love this. Fantastic quality case, got a little stand on it, but they're thick, right? All these auto boxes, whatever, they have it, they won't reach. So this is another problem. So it doesn't reach because it doesn't fit. So what I suggest is just get yourself a little extension here, and I'll leave a link down below for this specific item here and this item here as well. And you basically just plug this in here, and that gives you the extension. So that's how you can get in there. So that's how that works, okay? And so just to let you know, it's an affiliate link. I do get a small commission if you do buy something like this. That's no cost to you whatsoever, but it does help support my channel. I do appreciate that. Just to be transparent, you want to go to the iXpand, go into your app store. You'll find an app as iXpand, and it's SanDisk iXpand Drive. I already downloaded it once. I'll just reinstall it again just to show you. And it's super simple. And basically, once you download that, you basically have full control what you want to transfer on your phone. It tells you here what you have. Hopefully you can see this. iPhone space available, and what's free on the drive itself. So the drive itself is 256 gigs, which is awesome. You can see it's plugged in here, right? You can copy files, you can move files over, you can back up and restore. So you can basically back up your whole phone and restore it right from this if you want to. So all you do is click on copy files from your iPhone, and you'll see here, well, the light's not in your eyes, sorry about that. All the items here that I want to back up. So I made a video on this, I made a video on this, I made a video with this, information, all this stuff. Let's just say quick, and then copy to expand drive. Hit that, and then copy to, we'll put it in videos. That's where we want to put it, because they have a video folder, and we'll just hit that, and we'll say allow. And basically, as you can see the lines going across, it's basically backing up those videos I just selected. We go here, let's go to the videos, and you can see the videos are right here. These are the videos that are on the flash drive. So super simple, super easy to do, and definitely recommend that. When you're done, unplug it, and you're good to go. Take it to I need to take off your extension, move it over, put it into your Mac. Okay, guys, you just saw me back it up. Just a quick cutaway. I'm just going to show you how to basically transfer it. So USB-C, it's pretty much on my Mac Studio right here, and I'm just going to pop this disk right in here, and let's just see how it should just pop right up on the there it is. Double click on that, and here are the folders like I was telling you before. Those are the folders. Let's go to the video, and let's just take a look at this one video here. Let's double click on the video, and you can see I did a little quick Chick-fil-A video, and there it is. There is the video, just like that. Super simple to do. Like I said, there's some photos in here. It actually just, because I had some photos in here as well, so I just captured that. But you can put them in different files. Here's another video here I did. It'll take videos. It'll take whatever you pretty much select. It'll move it over, and you can put them in any file you want to. Here's another video here, so you can just see how super simple it is to transfer files. And when you're done with this, with the folder, just eject it, and that's it. Super easy. Okay guys, well, I appreciate your time as always. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to consider that super thanks down below. That really helps support my channel. Everything I do raise down below here does go right back into the channel and does support what I do. I appreciate it as always.